Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and opening settings. You should have Vscode running and the shell you want installed. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+P or CMD+Shift+P on Mac to open the command palette. This first actionable step takes you straight into Vscode controls so you can change behavior immediately. Make sure to type terminal. Select Default Profile and pause to review the listed shells. This helps you pick the right environment before changing anything system-wide. Now you perform the core change, selecting the default profile. You choose Terminal, select Default Profile, then click the shell you prefer, for example Bash, PowerShell, ZSH, or WSL. This sets how new terminals spawn. Once selected, open a new integrated terminal or run kill terminal and the new terminal so Vscode applies the change. You do this because Vscode stores the default per user or workspace, and restarting the terminal ensures extensions and environment variables load correctly. Finish by verifying the change and handling common issues. You check the prompt or run echo $shell or equivalent to confirm which shell launched. If the GUI selection didn't stick, open Settings, JSON and set terminal. Integrated, shell. Asterisk for the platform, this override is explicit. If the shell fails to start, make sure it's in path, reinstall it, or enable WSL on Windows. If problems persist, restart Vscode. This clears cached profiles and usually resolves lingering configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.